In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Afterpay to Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Afterpay has been integrated into Cash App, and select users will be able to use the Buy Now Pay Later function within Afterpay directly in Cash App. However, it seems like this feature is temporarily disabled according to their official page, but you can still use Buy Now Pay Later options. So all that you have to do is use the offers icon at the bottom of the screen. So go into the offers tab, and in here, if you are selected to participate in this service, you will see pay over time. So all of these will refer to buy now, pay later. You will be able to use it on places like Amazon, Walmart, Target, and so on. So scroll through the list, you will see how much you have available to pay over time. And once you choose any of these locations, you will be able to get this done. So essentially, it's like using Afterpay within Cash App. When you choose any of these, you will be redirected into their website and you will get instructions on what to do. So for Amazon, for example, you will be able to add up to $200 worth of items to your cart. This amount might increase or decrease based on your reputation. And when you reach checkout, you will be able to choose the option to pay over time. Then you can split it over 6 weeks. So all that you have to do is add everything to your cart, proceed to your cart once you are ready, and once it is time to add a new credit or debit card, choose the pay over time option. By doing this, you will see the total price and a card will be generated. You will see the split payments displayed here and the dates in which they are due. They will be deducted from your cash balance, and as long as you agree to everything, it is going to appear under your activity. You can choose it at any time to manage the payments and pay them using any of the payment methods attributed to your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay to Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.